So far, we've connected a microphone, we've set the level correctly, we've managed to record the output from that microphone into Logic. We've also used the auxiliary features on the mixing desk to route the signal through to the headphone amp. The only other thing that we might want to be able to do is to hear the performers if they talk to us, and that's where our listen back mic comes in. So this is just a little boundary type microphone. This is connected to input 11 on my wall box. So I'm going to give myself a bit of signal and see if we can route that through onto the mixing desk. So we're back in the control room here. I'd connected my listen back mic for the performers to talk to me to input 11. So here is input 11, channel 11. The boundary mic needs phantom power, so I'm going to turn that on. And exactly the same process as any other microphone. All I need to do now is make sure I can actually hear it. So I'm going to put the channel into PFL. I'm going to go up to my gain control up at the top. I'm looking at my metering, and I'm going to turn the volume up. So although I've got music playing, obviously if the performers were talking in the control room, I would then hear what they're saying. And that is the very basic process of using the recording studio. We can connect a microphone so that we can record an instrumentalist or a part of a drum kit or whatever it might be. We've set the gain correctly to make sure we've got a good signal level. We've then routed that through into Logic, and we're listening back to the stereo output of Logic on here, making sure we're not monitoring the input as well. We've also set up a headphone mix using the auxiliaries, and that is being routed through to the headphones for the performers to listen to. I've also set up a listen back microphone on input 11 so that if the performers need to speak to me, they can talk and I can hear them. The only additional thing would be our talk back microphone. So I've got the level set to about halfway there, and for us to communicate with the performers, we just hold down the talk button and talk, and that signal should go through to the headphones as long as I tell it where I want to route the signal. So I need to press send to aux 1 and 2, and then if I need to speak to the performers now, I can hold the talk mic button, talk to them, and then they can talk back to me as long as I'm monitoring channel 11.